I grew up on these. Dig them out of the Sunday sauce in hopes nobody will be looking. Get kicked out of the kitchen. Made to wait for Sunday pasta dinner. You ready to make pulpetti, traditional Sicilian meatballs? Let's go. Start with a cup and a half of breadcrumbs made from day-old Italian bread and a half a cup of milk. Give that a stir. Half a pound of beef, half a pound of pork, half a pound of veal. Add in our breadcrumbs, most of the milk out. 2 eggs, a quarter a cup of fresh chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, quarter cup of fresh grated Parmesan cheese, half a teaspoon or so of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. Give it a mix. A little bit more olive oil if you need it. These under a broiler until they're lightly browned, a couple minutes. The larger ones we'll put back in for about 10 minutes. Time to give these a try. Wow, those are so delicious. It reminds me when I was little. You just said goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo!